Let's talk money, my friends, or more specifically, the lack thereof. Because let's face it, when it comes to indie filmmaking, we're not exactly swimming in cash. We're talking ramen noodle budgets, duct tape solutions, and maybe, just maybe, a pizza party if we wrap on schedule. But here's the thing. Budgetary constraints, while frustrating, can actually work in your favor. You see, the film industry, for all its glitz and glamour, is a business. And businesses, they love a good return on investment. And that's where the indie filmmaking sweet spot comes in. Films with very low budgets, think under $1 million, they have this underdog charm. They're seen as low-risk, high-reward propositions. If they flop, well, no big loss. But if they hit, if they capture the zeitgeist, they can turn into massive moneymakers. On the flip side, you've got the big-budget blockbusters, those $100 million behemoths that dominate the box office. These films, they're all about spectacle, about blowing audiences away with CGI and explosions. And while they might require a small loan from a few countries to finance, their potential for profit is astronomical. Now here's where things get tricky, the dreaded mid-budget movie. These films, they're stuck in a no-man's land. They're too expensive to be considered low-risk, but they lack the star power and marketing muscle of the big-budget behemoths. They're like that middle child, always struggling for attention, never quite fitting in, and sadly, they often struggle to find an audience.